Hey guys, welcome to my channel The Pretty Smiles. I hope you're all doing great and are safe at your places. This is me Kajal and today I'm gonna share with you all my jewelry collection. Most of the pieces are to go with ethnic wears, but there are few pieces which will go with the western outfits as well. So yes, let's get started. So I keep all my jewelry in this bag. It's a very huge bag, very spacious from inside, and I don't keep it loose, but I have very small boxes like this, and I keep the jewelry safe in these boxes and then inside this bag. So for this video, I have already kept every single piece in this basket, if you can see, and so now I'm gonna show you one by one what all I have. Okay, so the very first piece which I got is this one. This is a kada kind of thing, and it's a single piece. It comes in a single piece packaging and it looks very pretty. It will go with every ethnic outfit for every function like wedding, sangeet, mehendi, and you don't have to wear any other piece, any other bangles or kadas type. If you are wearing this on a single hand, I'll show you how pretty it looks. It looks like this, guys. I hope you can see the detailing work here. It's very, there are crystals of copper brown color and they look very pretty when they shine in the night functions. And this one also not was very expensive. I think I got it for around 399 rupees, or this was a discounted price, and I got this one from Nika fashion store. Whatever jewelry pieces I have got online, I'll try to put all those purchase links in the description box below. So once we are out of this lockdown situation, if you like to purchase any of these pieces, so you can go and purchase those items from the links I'll give below. So the next two pieces are the oxidized silver earrings. These are jhumka in the like jhumka looks. So the very first one is this. Uh, there is the tint of purple color at the top, and there are white pearls in the bottom. And this will look very good if you are wearing a plain white kurta with purple leggings, or if you are also wearing a plain black kurta with jeans also, they will look very good for daily office wear also. And also if you are going for an outing with friends, then also they will look very pretty. uh, if you can see the work on these jhumkas also, it's very good. And these were the gift from my friends, but yes, they told me they got it from Mintra store. So again, I'll try to find, if I'll found these links, then I'll put it in the description box below. And also the similar second piece which I got also, this is also the gift from the same friend, and they are also from Mintra. So they look like this. There are small peacocks at the top and the same jhumka kind of look at the bottom. There is no other second color you see in this piece. It's all silver oxidized and they look very pretty. You can wear it with any single solid color kurta, red or dark black or dark blue color. They'll go with every outfit. So yes, this was the second. Again, this was from Mintra. Okay, so the next I got are from a local market store, and believe me guys, this piece will look so good on you. They are not like these are not the hangings one or the like normal jhumka looks. They are the big studs and they look so good on you. I'll try to insert one picture here where I'm wearing these things, and I wore this at the wedding party of one of my colleague. So they are orange, they're of orangish color and they look so good. You can see the detailing work. And also I got it from a local market store in Greater Noida. If any one of you is watching from Greater Noida, you must be knowing Gamma 2 Evergreen Market. It's a very famous market complex. I got this from there, and also they are not very much expensive. I think I got these from for only 45 rupees. Can you believe? They are very pretty, and I am having these for at least 6 to 7 months now, and nothing has gone off from this. Not the color, not any single bead. So yes, this is also a very nice piece. Okay, the next there are few pieces which I got from the very famous Sarojini market. Yes, and you have to be very like smart in picking up things from the Sarojini market. Everyone knows this. So yes, this is a very pretty piece. You can see this is a multicolored jhumka. This will go with every colored outfit you are wearing, kurta or suit. Also you can wear it on daily basis. These costed me around 20 to 30 bucks, I think, and they are with me since 1 to 1.5 years. So yes. And again, as I told you, the next few pieces coming up are from Sarojini market. So these are also from Sarojini market. These were for 20 bucks. They are very lightweighted, and going with the price, they are not of very cheap quality. Like if you're wearing it for continuous 3 to 4 hours, they will do no harm to your ears, to your skins, until and unless you have a very sensitive skin. Then yes, you should avoid buying from such places or at such cheap prices. But otherwise they are very good for temporary wear. 3 to 4 hours, they are very nice. The next one I have is again from Sarojini market. They are these maroon mirror earrings, and they have tassels at the below, and some ghungru type of thing in the middle. So they'll give overall very good look to you. If you're wearing some maroon colored kurta or suit, they'll seriously look very good. And also they're also very lightweighted. You'll not feel any heavy weight on your ears. Okay, so the next one I have is, they are my personal favorite, guys. These golden jhumkas I got for only 10 rupees. Yes, you hear me right. And these I got from, if people living in Noida watching this video, then they'll be knowing what is the importance of Saturday and Wednesday markets in a person's life living there. So yes, I got this pair from Saturday market in Noida. And this pair I bought is I think 3 years back, and still no color, nothing has gone off from this pair. And whenever I get a chance to pair this with any of my outfit, I'll surely pick these. These are very lightweight. This will look very good on you. Okay, so the next one is a ring. This is the ring, maroon colored. It's this one I got from again the Greater Noida local market store, and this was for around 65 rupees. It's of very good quality. It's the back material is of silver, but no color has gone from this ring. I have worn it I think around 3 to 4 times. It looks very good. So yes, the next one is this black crystal piece. This is a very good statement piece. If you're wearing with any western gown, black colored or single colored silver color gown, then also this will look very good. This was a little expensive. This I got for around 150 rupees, I think. That also after bargaining of so much, but that person was not ready to give it away. I think he proposed it to be 180 rupees, but then after so much request, he given it for 150 rupees. Again, this was from Greater Noida, Jagat Farm Market. It's a very famous marketplace. So yes, and this looks also very good. Okay, so the next one are, these are these are ready to go like for casual outings or daily wear also. They are very small, and the looks, they open like this. You have to close it like this, like hoops, we do, right? So these I think are for 15 to 20 rupees. They look very good for daily purpose. Yeah. Okay, so the next one is a mang tika. This one is again from Greater Noida local market. You can see there's a pearl hanging at the bottom. It's not white, it's off-white kind of color, but it's look very very good. If you can see properly, this will look very good on you for any wedding outings. So yes, this one was for 85 rupees, 85 rupees I think. Yes. Okay, so the next coming up pieces are little western, are to go with western outfits I would say. These are the white earrings. This will go with any white western outfit, any gown or any dress, single piece dress, ready to go beach dresses also. So yes, I don't remember these their prices because they are with me since so many years. I think 3 to 4 years back I got them. So yes, the next one is also again to go with white dresses. White is like personal favorite color, white and black. So you can see they look so pretty, guys. When they touch your cheeks, your ears, it will give you a very good feeling that okay, you are wearing something very nice. So yes. Okay, so yes, this is the next one. This is a leaf like shaped pattern, and there are small these are not the tassels, they are actually metallic pieces, very small pieces, but overall this will look a very good look on you, and they're also very lightweighted. Okay, and the last one from the earrings collection is I have this piece. They look very good on you, believe me guys, and they are like to go with any western outfit also, and you can pair this with any ethnic wear also, like a kurta or a garara. It will look very good. Mehendi color outfits, it will look very nice. They are this will the crystals, the glasses here in this will give a very good look if you're wearing it with any brown color outfit or mehendi color outfits. So yes. Okay, so this was all from my earrings and earrings collection. Now I have few neck pieces or pendants, so I'll show you those. Two of them I have are from Avon brand. If you guys know, I have heard about this. So this is a very pretty piece, guys. You can see it's very, it looks very good, very royal look it gives you. Think you can see the detailing work here, and इसकी chain भी is of so good quality. I have this set with me for around 5 to 6 years. इसे कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. No color has gone off from this. See, the only part which I get doubts with this set is its earrings. The earrings are very simple, very sober. They are just simple studs, the pearls. But yes, overall with the neck piece, if you wear it, this will give a very good look on you. So this costed me around 1600 at that time, but one of our relatives worked in was an Avon consultant, so we got it some discounted price around 8 to 900. Yes, the next one is also again from Avon. This one though, it's just love, guys. You can see it's of pink color. You can see how good it looks, the style, the pattern of this, the shape, everything. It's pink in color, all shades of pink you can see here. Again, the chain is of very nice quality, and the earrings come which comes with this, they are of very good quality. See, quality is sure, but you see the pattern, they are like Bali types, and the color, see, the colors are so good in this. Okay, so these were the two sets I had, and now I have two pendants to show you. One is this crown shape. This my cousin sister got me from US. So see, so pretty. Yes. And the next one, the last one I have is from one of my friend. He gifted me this on my birthday. It's also very pretty. See, if you're wearing nothing but just this pendant on your neck, it will look so good on you guys. Okay, yes, So this was all I have for my jewelry collection. If you guys like it, then please hit the like button and do share with your friends. Also, if you want to see such videos again, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button too. I'll try to put every purchase link in the description box below, and also do let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see next. So till then, bye guys.